As some of you know, I have a Mariner with a working motor and one with a dead motor that sparked. So Hunter let me choose one of the fans to replace it, and I chose that fan. And if you're confused by the fact that Casablanca is the Hunter, Hunter actually owns Casablanca. Hunter bought Casablanca in 1996. So yeah. Instead of making video of two Mariner and all speeds, I did one Mariner and all speed. I'm going to do a video of this Casablanca and all speeds. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox. I have to say, I can't keep this box because I have to use this box to send a broken Mariner back. But at least I get to keep the fan, just not the box. Now I have to pack the Mariner in. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.